I'm going to show you how to refresh your 2-strand twist. These twists are old, as you can see. I'll bring you closer so you can see how old they are. They are very old. So now I need to redo them. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just take these and put it in a ponytail. I'm going to take the twist out. Because I have them for a while in. I'm going to untangle. So I can take anything that's shedding out. And then I have my oil in here. And I'm just going to squeeze. This is jojoba oil. I just put it in a different bottle. But that's jojoba oil. And I'm just going to re-moisturize. And then redo the twist. That is how to moisturize, re-moisturize, and retwist your hair for protective styling. As I twist, I just pull whatever is loose out of the ends. I need nothing hanging. Next one. I just want to retwist, but I want to re-moisturize it. So I'm just going to re-moisturize and retwist. I have a lot of new growth with my keratin treatment in. I did not blow dry my hair after I washed it a week ago. I just washed it and just let it air dry and then grease it up, oil it up, whichever way you say it, and twist it. But now I need to retwist. So that's what I'm doing right now. Make sure you twist the ends. This is the new ones that I just retwisted. And this is the old one that need retwisting. Can you see? All hair is all loose. This is put back together. New ones, old ones that need retwisting. Again, I want to show you. You see, this is the old one. I haven't touched it. and this is the new one. These I just did. These I haven't done yet. Let me show you what the back looks like before I do it. This is the fresh ones up in the front. They're looking nice. I love them. They're nice and juicy. They're freshly remoisturized. Now let me show you the back before I do it. This is the back. I'm going to remoisturize the back. Now I will untangle before I retwist already oil it. And I'm going to retwist. I separate it in two and then I retwist. That's what it looks like. Dead hair. This is my freshly remoisturized retwist. The back, the other side. I have 12 of them each, 6 in the back, 6 in the front. This is all the hair that shedded. That is it. And now that my hair is retwisted, I'll leave it for maybe another couple days before I shampoo it. Maybe a week, and I'll just tie my hair or let it stay as is. But this is what I do to just give the hair break from the blow drying or the ironing. I will twist it and it's old, so now I'll retwist it, and that's it. I hope that was helpful to you. Please remember to share this video and always watch the video all the way through. It does help me on YouTube. I thank you very much. And until I see you and you see me, healthy hair growth to you. Healthy hair growth to you. Bye.